The document management feature in the visitor management module allows administrators to create and manage documents such as terms and conditions, NDAs, and other essential documents that visitors must acknowledge before entering a premises. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to upload and manage these documents into the document management area and add them to your visitor questionnaire. Now, there are some key benefits that document management will bring to organizations, so let's go through a few of them. Firstly is streamlined visitor onboarding. As visitors will be able to review and acknowledge these documents before setting foot on your premises, it means that when they do arrive, they'll be able to have a much smoother check-in process, which reduces that administrative workload. It provides compliance assurance. By requiring visitors to acknowledge critical documents, companies ensure compliance with legal and security requirements. And the system will track which visitors have accepted these documents, helping to enforce these rules. Now, let's take a look through this feature and show you exactly how document management works in RICOH Spaces. Starting from our 3D floor plan, we need to go into our organization settings, which we can do by clicking on this icon in the left-hand side. Document management, along with visitor management settings, operate on a location-by-location basis, giving you more flexibility and control between your different locations. In this case, we're going to find our Birmingham office. Then in the left-hand menu, we've got all of our different options, and there is a new item here for documents and media, so we'll click into that. In this section, we can see a document that I've already created, but we're going to start from scratch and create a brand new document. So we'll create a new document by hitting this button in the bottom right-hand corner, and then there are 3 different document types that we can create: PDFs, website URLs, or YouTube/Vimeo links. So I'm going to upload a PDF, I'll hit create, and then I'll see upload document here. So I'll click on that. Now I've got a document already prepared here. I've got an NDA that I want to include into our document management area. So I'll hit open. I'll give this file a name. I'll call it the RICOH NDA. And then we have our acknowledgement section. So by clicking on this toggle, it will create a tick box in the questionnaire, which I'll show you shortly, that has to be ticked to show that the user has acknowledged that document. So once that's done, I'll hit create. And it appears here, we can see a preview of this document. If I go back into the document section, we now have our NDA that we've just created, which is in PDF format. We can see the latest update, so it was done by me on this date. If we want to preview this document, we have this icon here, which I can click on, and that will open it up for us to be able to take a look at. And if I wanted to edit it, then I can click on the edit button and I can change the file, I can change the name, or I can make it so that you no longer have to acknowledge it. Once I've made my changes, I'll always hit the save button at the bottom, or if I wanted to remove this document, I will hit the delete button. In this section, you can upload all of the documents that you may want to include into that visitor questionnaire. It doesn't mean that they will automatically be included, it just creates a pool of documents that you'll be able to pick from. Now, as more documents are added into this section, it may become more difficult to find the one that you need. So we've got a couple of tools to help filter through all these different documents. Firstly, we've got the search function where you can physically search the document that you want, or we've got the file type option. So you can click on here and we can choose PDF, URL, video. So if I click on PDF, it's going to show me all of the PDFs available in this section. If I go into video, then it will show me all of the videos that are available. So this is one that I created before, and it is a YouTube URL from one of the videos on the RICOH Spaces YouTube channel. Or if we want to change the order of these documents in this section, then we can use document name, file type, or updated by to change the order. Now let's put this into practice by taking one of these documents and adding it into our visitor questionnaire. From the visitor management settings, we have these 4 headers at the top, and we want to go into visitor questionnaire. And this is our comprehensive customizable questionnaire builder, where you can add in any of the questions that you want your visitors to see and answer before they arrive on site. Now, as mentioned before, this is working on a per location basis. So this questionnaire is only going to be applicable for our Birmingham office. Before we start, we need to make sure the questionnaire is active, and we can do that by hitting this toggle in the top right-hand corner. When it's blue like this and we can see the questions, that's how we know it's on. So we have a few questions here that have been created already, but I'm going to hit this add question button, which will bring me all of the different question types that I can access. I'll hit document, and then I can add a document. And when I add a document, it will pull from the documents and media section. So you can see we've got our NDA, which we recently created, and our existing sensor video. So I'm going to click on the NDA. I'll hit save. And our questionnaire is now saved and updated. Now, when we create a visit in our system, we can send an invite which includes the questionnaire, and the visitor will receive an email invite which opens up into a landing page which looks like this. And you can see we've got all the information for our visit, we've got the PIN code that our visitor can use to sign into the building, and we've got the questionnaire section with approval required. So there are some documents that they have to acknowledge. When we click on this link, we can find the questions that are included in our questionnaire, and we can also see the document that we have just added in. We have a quick preview here, but when we click onto it, it will open up that document and allow us to read through the entire thing. When I close that, I can tick this box and say I have read the entire document and agree to the terms within. Again, providing that assurance that legal and security requirements are being met. Now, going back into the visitor management section, I can see that I've got a visitor that is already set up here, and we've got the email questionnaire which is sent. Once the user has completed the questionnaire, this will be updated to say that they have completed it. So the host of that visit, along with RICOH Spaces administrators, will be able to see the completion status of that questionnaire. So that's a quick overview of the documents and media section in the visitor management module in RICOH Spaces. Administrators can easily create and manage documents in the system. Documents can be added into questionnaires, and the acknowledgement feature ensures legal and security compliance. If you want to see more about the documents and media feature, we also have a written article available in the RICOH Spaces Help Center. And if you want to see more videos like this one, then you can check out the RICOH Spaces YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.